Thanks, there.
Hi.
I got the Go Fast Bits adjustable blow-off valve. So that's what we're gonna be doing tonight. Is taking this off. All there's is these 2 bolts, and then this hose, and there's a hose in the back we gotta take off. That would be right. That would be wrong.
It's a 15 or what?
12.
So our last install, it was like what, like 80 degrees outside, and today it's 50.
Yeah, something like that. It was super hot last time. It was clamp work. I think I just need to pry that part up.
Oh, remember that's the one that we had a lot of trouble with whenever we were like putting the new motor in our car. I think you have to squeeze it together, and then it comes off. Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure, dude.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I'll shake on it.
I need to squeeze these together.
No. Hold my.
I need to squeeze it together like this, right?
Pull it back. These two go together.
I'll squeeze it.
Would I want to hold my apple cider.
Oh my gosh. My fork's over here.
Rev it up? Like, to what?
Barely the gas. A little more. That's all the way up and try now.
That's 4,500.
Tighten up a little bit. Let's go for a drop.
We're just gonna go down to Shell and see how it does.
We can go farther if you want.
Look, it's really loud.
Yeah.
So it's probably super loud from the outside. I'm like really curious.
Yeah.
Oh, he has the helmet that we looked at.
Which helmet?
That's the helmet I looked at in Houston.
I feel like it needs to be adjusted a little bit.
How so?
I mean, tighten it up a little bit, or close it a little bit.
Yeah.
I still believe you out there fighting for me. Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Or have I been deceived?